Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Windows ME on VMware Workstation 25H2. This is a complete guide, and I'll explain everything in detail so even beginners can follow along easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, you need two important files: Windows ME ISO file and DOS boot floppy image with CD-ROM support. I have provided download links in the video description. Click on Show All, then download FLP file and ISO file. So make sure to download them before continuing. Once downloaded, keep both files ready on your computer. Now open VMware Workstation 25H2. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Choose I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Select Microsoft Windows. Version, choose Windows ME. Click Next. Now give your virtual machine a name, for example, Windows ME. Choose a location if needed, then click Next. Configure disk settings. Now it's time to set the virtual disk size. Enter 4 GB. Windows ME is a very lightweight operating system, so 4 GB is more than enough for installation, basic usage, and even installing a few small programs. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Click Next, then click Finish. Before starting the VM, we need to make some changes. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Now select CD, DVD, choose Use ISO image file. Browse and select your Windows ME ISO. Click Add, select Floppy Drive. Choose Use Floppy Image File. Browse and select the downloaded .flp file. Click OK to save everything. Now power on the virtual machine. You will see a boot menu. Select Option 1, Boot with CD-ROM support. This will load DOS with CD support, which we need for installation. Now create partition using FDISK. Type FDISK, press Enter. Press Y to enable large disk support. Choose Option 1, Create DOS partition. Then choose 1, Create primary DOS partition. Let it use the full disk size. Once done, press Escape button and exit FDISK. Now we need to restart. Go to the VMware menu bar, click the arrow icon. Select Restart Guest. After restart, again select 1, Boot with CD-ROM support. Now format the drive type, Format C:, press Enter. Type Y and press Enter to confirm. This will format the virtual hard disk. Once completed, press Enter to continue. Now switch to the CD drive. Usually it is D:, press Enter. Then start Windows ME Setup. Now type Setup, press Enter. Windows ME Setup will start. Now the graphical setup begins. First, it may run a disk check. Let it complete. Select Exit. Setup Wizard. Click Next. License Agreement. Select I accept the agreement. Click Next. Enter the CD key. You can find the key in the ISO file name or description. Click Next. Leave default folder. Click Next. Choose Typical for normal installation, or choose Custom if you want to explore advanced options. Click Next. Enter username. Click Next. Select Windows Components Recommended. Click Next. Enter your computer name. Workgroup can stay default. Click Next. Select your country or region. Select your correct time zone. Click Next. Set up Startup Disk. Select Cancel. OK, then finish. Now Windows ME copying files to your computer. This will take some time, so be patient. The system need to restart. Before click OK, you want to disconnect floppy. Click VM in menu bar, select Removable Devices. Then floppy, select Disconnect. Click OK to restart. After restart, do not press anything. Let it boot from the hard disk this time. After reboot, Windows will continue setup. After the installation, system will restart. You have successfully installed Windows ME on VMware Workstation 25H2. Windows ME is an outdated operating system with no support or security updates. Use it only for learning or testing inside a virtual machine, not for daily use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below if you face any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.